Money rules that never change. Timeless financial wisdom. Money has changed a lot over the years, but the rules for building wealth, they've stayed the same. If you want to be financially secure, these 5 timeless money principles will always apply, no matter how the economy shifts. And trust me, the last rule, it's the most powerful, so stick around till the end. Rule 1, spend less than you earn. Why? No matter how much money you make, if you spend it all, you'll always be broke. Example, even people who earn 6 figures go bankrupt because they don't control their spending. Tip, track your income and expenses. When you know where your money's going, you stay in control. Rule 2, save and invest consistently. Why? Money sitting in a bank, it loses value over time, thanks to inflation. Example, but investing just $100 a month in an index fund? Over decades, that can turn into millions. Tip, set it and forget it. Automate your savings and investments so you don't even have to think about it. Rule 3, avoid bad debt. Why? Debt is borrowing from your future self, but with interest. And that interest, it adds up fast. Example, credit card debt at 20% interest? It can turn small purchases into financial traps. Tip, use credit wisely, only for things that grow in value, not things that lose value. Rule 4, multiple streams of income. Why? Relying on just one income source? That's risky. If you lose it, you're in trouble. Example, the wealthy don't rely on a single paycheck. They build multiple income streams, investments, businesses, side hustles. Tip, start a side income, even if it's small, because the goal? Passive income. Rule 5, time is your greatest asset. Why? The earlier you start managing money wisely, the better, because compound interest, it's a game changer. Example, investing just $5 a day from age 20, that can make you a millionaire by retirement. Tip, start today, whether it's saving, investing, or simply learning more about money. These money rules have worked for generations, and they'll work for you too. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more timeless financial wisdom. And tell me in the comments, what's one money rule you always follow?